Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be visiting Sardinia. It is this amazing island off the coast of Italy, and it is the second largest island in the Mediterranean. I recommend that you guys rent a car and explore all the beaches along the island. There are so many to choose. The water there is the most clear that I've seen in all of the Mediterranean, which makes it great for snorkeling. Probably the best idea that we had was to have a boat day where we took the boat up between Sardinia and Corsica and checked out all the little islands. Hands down, this was the best thing that we did on the trip. The only way to get to these beaches on these islands is by boat. I've seen videos of these places just full of boats and the beaches are full of people, but when we went this September, there was hardly anyone there. And it was just amazing to have all this space to ourselves. Traveling from beach to beach on the island was just within a matter of minutes, and the distance between the islands wasn't very long at all. And the navigation to find these islands was super easy. All we used was Google Maps and just pointed the boat in the direction we wanted to go. At the same time though, you have to be careful where you take the boat because some of the areas are very shallow. I thought this place was super cool. It's just insane to look at the weathering and erosion that's occurred on this rock over the thousands of years from the wind and rain and the ocean just eroding away at it. It was also really cool to swim up to and climb on and jump off of. Again, the drone shots show you how clear the water is that you can see down. Underneath where the boat's sitting right now, it's about 40 feet deep. Stop with the boat before heading back to the mainland was Calle Cotisio, and it was super pretty. and the sand was super soft and white. Alright, so we are heading back to the hotel, all done boating. We had a blast. I got some sun. Hopefully I'm not burning and I just get tan. Courtney got tan too. It's a good day. I am covered in salt. The waves were huge on the way back. It was a little bit much for that boat, but we made it. Didn't flip it, but it did get air. That's the one. Room 224. Don't have a password. This is what you want to hear right here. That's the AC, and it's a game changer. After a quick nap, we went into town to get some dinner. The prices weren't very expensive, and it seems like everywhere we go, we get the whole place to ourselves, which is really nice. Courtney ordered a Parmesan cheese steak that was extremely good. And I went with a classic thin crust Italian pizza. After dinner, we walked through the streets of Palau with virtually no one in them and found a gelato place where we got some super yummy ice cream. We finished up the night down at the marina and wrapped everything up with an incredible sunset. Alright, so it is the last day in Sardinia and it is thunderstorming, so I'm not going to get the drone footage I wanted today, but that's okay. What do you have on today, Courtney?
Tropical on the bottom.
Wow.
Serious at the top.
Yeah, is it because it's raining again? We are right on the water and it's raining this morning and the restaurant is empty again, so it's just been really nice traveling and not having that many people. Alright, so it stopped raining, so I was able to pop the drone up and get some pretty sweet shots of Capo de Orso, or Rock of the Bear, which it's a rock that looks like a bear, so it's pretty cool. Check it out. Alright, just got the drone back in the car. We're gonna head down south about 3 hours to Cala Luna. There's this really cool beach with a bunch of sea caves and we're gonna check that out today. Alright, so we did not make it to Cala Luna. Courtney did the math and we wouldn't have had enough time to do the hike in and out and then the drive down to the airport. So we did find this other cool place. The pink, rosy color of the water is the result of pigmented, salt-loving microbes. I wasn't expecting to see anything like this because of all the blue water that's talked about for Sardinia. Just a really cool little bonus spot that we found on our travel. We saw hundreds of flamingos out there, which was really cool because I've only ever seen flamingos in zoos. So finished with the salt pools. Now we're gonna head out to the beach until we have to go to the airport. Making our way to the next spot, going through this rock section here, killing it. We hung out at the beach until it was time to head to the airport. If you guys made it this far in the video, thanks so much for watching. It really means a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button. And again, if you did enjoy this video, hit that like button so I know you guys like this stuff. I kind of did the video a little bit differently this time. Usually I'm in front of the camera on the trip. This time I did it from the studio back at the house. If you like the way that I threw this video together, leave your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if you guys have ever been to Sardinia and if there's any spots that we should go back to check out in the future. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are having a great week and we'll see you guys in the next adventure.